Hello everyone, this is Leroy Oscar Tanner, Programming and Technology Services Librarian for the New Ulm Public Library, here to bring you another tutorial about our wonderful digital resources. Today we'll be taking a look at some of the other resources available through the MinNose link. We previously did a brief introduction in another tutorial, go ahead and check that out. But today we're going to look at, first of all, they've redesigned the page, and we'll look at some of the other resources. You can reach the library's homepage by typing into your URL bar www.newulmlibrary.org, which will bring you to here. And if you click on MinNose on the right, it'll open in a second tab. And I'm just going to click over to that since I've already opened that. Now before it was listed in a vertical fashion, but now you notice it's got these nice big icons. It's arranged in this visual way here. You can learn more, try it, and if you click on one of these icons, it will take you directly to the resource. We've taken a look at eBooks Minnesota before, the BiblioBoard collection. The Minnesota Libraries Publishing Project is for anyone who's interested in writing a book. Today we're going to take a look at the Minnesota Digital Library. So I click on it in the same tab. It brings me to the Minnesota Reflections page. And so this is a collection of historical documents, images, and so forth, even pictures of artifacts, memorabilia that have been added to this database by the Minnesota State Historical Society. We can search here at the top. We can browse everything if we would like to. We can browse things by topic, by who contributed them to the collection, by the format of object. I'll take a look at that one first. And then there's also this interactive map. If you scroll out or hit the minus sign, it expands to show more of Minnesota. You can also click and drag on the map, and it will, all these little pinpoints are locations that have been attached to items within the collection, be they photographs or so forth. So if I click on one of these, it brings up what the item is, and I can click link and directly go to it. So if you're looking for a historical item from a particular part of the state, you can search using this interactive map. Let's go ahead and use the browse by format. I guess we should see they've got their contact information here if you'd like to do research, other important links, ways to stay connected. So let's click on browse by format. And so they have the different types of format listed in alphabetical order. And so you can see they have lots of different kinds of things. They have boxes, they have books, they have atlases, they have application forms, architectural drawings. Let's pick another letter here. They have photographic negatives, they have newspapers, nothing in Q. S, silent films, slides, songbooks, speeches. Let's go ahead and take a look at speeches. It looks like they've got 13 of those here. And so this is what your search results look like. Over here on the left-hand side are ways that you can narrow down your search results here. So they're all text, they're all speeches. We can narrow it down by a particular date range or specific date that we're looking at, by location, by a subject heading here, by who contributed it, and then the individual results here. Of course, the titles are how you link directly to that item, and it tells you who was the creator of the item, either the contributor of the item or the actual author. In this case, this is the author of this speech. A brief description, when they think the date was created, and some of them don't have dates. It's just an approximate estimate, as it were. Let's see, a Southwestern Minnesota State College at Granite Falls, Minnesota. So a transcript of a presentation. You can see a number of different kinds of documents here. Let's go ahead and narrow it down. Let's look at 1849 just for fun. A message from the governor of the territory. So before Minnesota was a state, of course, in the 1850s. And let's go ahead and click on that. And when you go into an item, you can look at it as an image. This is the actual item in image format. You can also look at the transcript so you can see it typed in modern format. Over here is our controls where we can go page by page and view each individual page here. Citation information if you're doing research. Again, that descriptive information that was contained in the search results, but then additional descriptive information as well as links to other things that match that part of the description. You also see related items, so things that are connected to this through one of these similarities. You can also, one of the wonderful things about Minnesota Reflections is you can also download resources for use, for you to peruse and look at. This is open to the public. There's so many great things that you can explore. You can also try to, because they have a transcript of the speech, we can search the text for a word that we're looking for if we're looking for something specific. A lot of great features here. If we scroll down to the bottom, again, it's got it pinned on the map there. And the rights for use right here. If you have any more information that you'd like about it, ways to contact them. And so that's how you go in and search for something in Minnesota Reflections. Of course, we can, again, search here. We can go back to the home here. We can go back to the home here. If we click on that, it takes us back to the beginning. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions for the library, feel free to contact us through our details below, and we'll see you next time.